Adobe Creative Cloud is the ultimate software for graphic design, video editing and more, isn't it? But if we check the price on Adobe's official website, the cost of 1 year subscription is around 21,070 rupees. Here comes the hurdle. Do you also find the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription very costly? No more worries. I found a website where Adobe Creative Cloud subscription is available at an 80% discount. You must be thinking they would provide student subscription. No, they provide you with enterprise subscription, with which you can unlock all 50 plus Adobe software with full features. So, if you want a 100% genuine subscription at the most discounted price, then watch this video carefully without skipping. First, you need to search for Saasyto.com. After that, go to Services and click Other Services. Now you need to add Adobe Creative Cloud to the cart. Now go to your cart and just check out. Now you will fill in all these details here and make the payment. As soon as you make the payment, you will receive a login ID and password in your email. At times, it may take 2 to 3 hours, so do not worry. Just relax. After receiving the email, you can use the provided login and password to access your Adobe Creative Cloud. You can change the password later. You have successfully subscribed to Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, what are you waiting for? If you really need it, your search is over. Visit Saasyto.com. There cannot be anything better than this.